Jasmy for the most part acquired roughly 4.08% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The EMA 50 sort of is presently at $0.007, or so they in every practical sense thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin generally is floating at $87,003,429 in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy fundamentally has its essentially next obstruction at $0.006, which in every practical sense is very huge. 20 January 2024, in this video we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually especially sought clarification on some things, facts, what in every way that really matters. Is especially transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, explicitly is Jasmy a sort of wise speculation, which basically is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, showing how 20 January 2024. In this video we will by and large walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time, generally clarified some things, facts, what sort of is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin. In every practical sense, is Jasmy a very wise speculation, or so they generally thought. In any case, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, in a real sense let us basically discuss the for the most part current economic situations, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,634,390,721,246 in a by and large enormous manner. The kind of all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $57,055,176,489 in a kind of large manner. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, or so they generally thought. Which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%, which all things considered is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value decline of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours, showing what truly brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%, or so they fundamentally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. Sold the by and large local coin of Solana for the most part is somewhere near 2.93, and as of now exchanging at $91.67, exhibiting how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,634,390,721,246 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, XRP came to 55 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0% in esteem, exhibiting how 20 January 2024. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now, or for the most part 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly clarified pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, all things considered, is Jasmy a wise interest in a truly significant manner? These occasions especially show that the market sort of is going in a sort of descending bearing for kind of present moment, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time period in a quite enormous manner. Right now, an especially broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that these occasions for the most part show that the market explicitly is going in every practical sense, descending heading for certainly present moment, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73. Following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span in a huge manner. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they in a real sense thought. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers certainly become sort of more commonly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish all things considered. Key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors sort of become move genuinely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so 20 January 2024. In this video we will basically walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what all things considered, is truly momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, for the most part is Jasmy an excellent speculation? Essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin, Jasmy coin execution, the especially current Jasmy coin cost generally is $0.007. With an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in every way that really matters, recent hours, so Jasmy sort of acquired roughly 4.08% inside the most recent 24 hours. Especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, Jasmy in a real sense is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value investigation Jasmy cost examination for 20 January 2024, inside a by and large day-to-day time period, for the most part made sense of underneath, which basically is genuinely critical. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including fundamentally straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to in every practical sense, examine the future development of the Jasmy coin. Which basically shows that 20 January 2024, in this video, we will explicitly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these regularly for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what generally will be for the most part momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin. Basically is Jasmy a genuinely wise interest in a kind of significant manner? The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining underneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, for the most part further appearance how Jasmy basically acquired roughly 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which essentially is very huge. Jasmy coin financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day graph, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The sort of relative